another edition of SPAMtember. Hold on. It's beautiful out there. Can you even see? No? Too far away. All right, whatever. Welcome to another edition of SPAMtember. This has been a wonderful month, and I love September and SPAMtember, and today we're doing something just really simple. It's just a Spam grilled cheese sandwich because lately I've been all about the simple. It's been so busy lately. So we're going to put the Spam in to let that just kind of brown up a little. And yes, I was using this pan 2 seconds ago for something else, but it's totally fine. Okay, I wiped it. Okay, calm down. Melt the cheese directly on the Spam. I'm using good old sliced American cheese because, while I do have other cheese on hand, this is what I want to use right now, okay? Leave me alone. All right, toast your bread to your liking. And then I put a little bit of jam on it. Trust me, a little bit of strawberry jam with some grilled cheese. So good. All right, you're gonna layer the 3 pieces on. Don't forget it's law that you have to mess something up while you're cooking. See, it's got a little messed up, but it'll still taste delicious. And now for the taste test.
I want to taste test it.
Mmm.
Let me taste it. Me.
This is fan-freaking-tastic.
Let me test it.
Take a bite.
Okay. I want to taste it.
Oh, might be a little hot. Be careful. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah?
Ow.
It's a little hot. Hold on. A little more. Bite in. There. Oh!
I stole the camera.
Sorry, sweetheart. It's very good. Try a not hot piece. Here. Not hot, I promise.
Mmm.
That better? There you go. Approved by the whole family. It's a hit. Go make it yourself. So easy. I'll talk to you later. Conquer tomorrow by preparing today. And go check out all the other videos, playlists down below in this SPAMtember amazing collab. So many amazing things. I was looking through the list and I'm like, I want to make that. And be sure to comment on this and all the videos so that you could potentially win a giveaway the Prepper Potpourri is doing of a meat slicer. Okay, bye.